Modern research findings. Fast forward to the present, scientific research has unveiled the intricate mechanisms behind Panax ginseng's potent effects. Ginsenosides, the active compounds in ginseng, are primarily responsible for its diverse health benefits. These compounds have been shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-modulating properties. 1. Cognitive enhancement. Research suggests that ginsenosides, the active compounds in ginseng, have neuroprotective effects that may enhance cognitive function. Regular consumption of ginseng has been linked to improvements in memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. It's believed that ginseng's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to its positive effects on brain health, making it a potential ally in the fight against cognitive decline. 2. Stress reduction. Ginseng is recognized as an adaptogen, which means it helps the body adapt to and manage stress. By modulating the body's stress response, ginseng may help reduce the negative impact of chronic stress on physical and mental health. Regular consumption of ginseng has been associated with decreased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. 3. Immune system support. Ginseng's immunomodulatory effects make it a valuable ally for supporting the immune system. Studies have indicated that ginsenosides can enhance the activity of immune cells, such as natural killer cells and T cells, helping the body defend against infections and diseases. This immune-boosting potential could contribute to overall wellness and vitality. 4. Cardiovascular health. Ginseng has been found to have positive effects on cardiovascular health. It may help lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Additionally, ginseng's antioxidant properties could play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are associated with heart disease. Some research also suggests that ginseng could improve lipid profiles by lowering levels of bad LDL cholesterol. 5. Energy and endurance. Traditionally regarded as a tonic for enhancing vitality, ginseng is believed to improve physical performance and endurance. Modern research supports this notion, indicating that ginseng's adaptogenic properties may enhance the body's capacity to withstand physical stress. Athletes and individuals seeking to boost their stamina and energy levels may find ginseng supplementation beneficial. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many chronic diseases. Ginseng's anti-inflammatory properties have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation markers in the body. By doing so, ginseng may contribute to a lowered risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and even certain types of cancer. 7. Antioxidant defense. Ginsenosides possess potent antioxidant activity, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. This antioxidative capacity is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases and plays a role in ginseng's overall health-promoting effects. 8. Blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that ginseng may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. Some studies indicate that ginseng could improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate glucose metabolism, which is particularly relevant for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Dosage and precautions. Finding balance. When considering the use of Panax ginseng, finding the right dosage is crucial for reaping its benefits while avoiding potential adverse effects. The recommended dosage can vary based on factors such as age, health status, and the specific product being used. Generally, a daily dose of 200 to 400 milligrams of standardized ginseng extract containing 4 to 7% ginsenosides is considered safe and effective for most adults. As with any supplement or natural remedy, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating ginseng into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions, are taking medications, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Ginseng may interact with certain medications and could exacerbate certain health conditions, so seeking professional guidance is paramount. Whether you're seeking to improve your cognitive function, combat stress, or support your cardiovascular health, ginseng offers a natural avenue worth exploring. By combining the wisdom of the past with the insights of the present, we can embark on a journey toward vitality, well-being, and a deeper connection to the rich tapestry of human health traditions.